Emergency action plans are another vital component of an aquatic risk management program. Every facility should have specific response procedures in place to deal with potential emergencies. These emergencies may include drowning or near drowning, first aid and medical emergencies, weather-related events, recreational water illnesses or RWI, a lost or abducted child, suspicious behavior, violence, fires, power outages, and chemical leaks or spills. Drowning or near drowning response drills are essential, and every facility should practice these procedures during in-service training. Lifeguards and pool supervisors need constant review on how to respond to these events. Serious injuries to patrons and staff may occur. Stocked first aid kits should be provided, and staff needs to be trained on administering first aid. Other emergency equipment that should be available includes AEDs, bag valve masks, and oxygen cylinders. Training on the operation of this equipment must be provided to all staff and include periodic reviews. Weather-related emergencies can happen year-round. Thunderstorms, lightning, tornadoes, and hailstorms may appear without much notice. Specific procedures, according to the National Lightning Safety Institute, should be developed as to when to evacuate the pool, where patrons should congregate until the storm passes, and when it is safe to re-enter the pool. Illness to patrons and staff may occur due to fecal contamination, vomit, or other contamination of swimming pools. A detailed RWI policy should be established that follows applicable regulations and industry guidelines. The threat of a lost or abducted child is a real fear. Calling an adult swim or rest break will often reunite lost children with their parents. But in the event of an actual child abduction, a rapid response by staff is crucial. A special code word should be established to alert employees, and lockdown procedures must be implemented immediately. Prompt communication with local law enforcement is critical. Aquatic facility staff should also receive training in the identification of and response to suspicious behavior and possible child abuse. CIRSA offers a training program on abuse risk management that covers how to deal with suspicious behavior. Violence, arguments, or domestic disputes can erupt anywhere, including your facility. Policies and procedures should be established to deal with threats, bullying, and acts of violence. Your staff needs to be trained how to respond to these types of incidents. While not the most common of aquatic emergencies, plans still need to be made for fires, especially at indoor recreation centers. Evacuation routes need to be clearly posted. Employees should be trained in evacuation procedures, and periodic drills should be conducted. Fire alarms, sprinkler systems, fire extinguishers, and other fire detection and suppression equipment should be part of an ongoing inspection and preventive maintenance program. The local fire department should tour the facility to get familiar with exits, chemical rooms, and potential fire hazards. Procedures need to be developed in the event of a power outage. The pool should be closed until power is restored. Interior rooms, such as locker rooms, should be monitored. Other security measures may need to be taken. Pumps should be interlocked with chemical feed systems to prevent chemical release during a power outage. An emergency response plan, including evacuation procedures, should be established in the event of a chemical spill or leak. Staff needs to be equipped with and trained in the proper use of personal protective equipment. The local fire department should be brought in to review chemical storage, assist in developing an emergency plan, and help conduct emergency response drills. Other types of emergencies that impact your facility should be identified, procedures developed, and drills conducted. Incidents should be immediately reported, thoroughly investigated, documented, and corrective action implemented. It's important to have procedures and forms in place to document any type of injury, illness, or near-miss incident.